Hello everybody, my name is Eldon. Welcome to my channel. Today we have one little job. We need to put a corner flashing on little roof. The guy had some leaks inside and we're gonna put a corner flashing. So this is corner flashing. Today is a little bit rainy day. So today's job is put a corner flashing against the wall. We will leave that old caulking. Let's go check the leaks inside on the ceiling. So this is where leaks, right where the roof is. Gotta seal those screws also. Everything needs to be sealed.
Rain coming down, clouds rolling in, but City Masonry is ready to begin. Brick by brick, steel locked tight. We keep on working till we get it right. cuts, taking no walking away. Rain or shine, we finish the day. From restoration to repairs, we know how to stop that water before it can flow. Years of experience, strength in our hands. City Masonry, built to withstand. We build through the rain, we work through the storm. City Masonry, keeping your home safe and warm. Corner flashing tight, brick standing tall. Quality craftsmanship, protecting it all. City Masonry, built strong, built right. Rain or shine.
It's just starting a little bit, the rain picking up, so we're gonna wait a little bit and then keep going. We got some jackets and some pants for rain, so we're gonna stay and finish this.
Rain coming down, sky turning gray, but City Masonry ain't walking away. Metal in our hands, brick walls standing tall. We came to stop the water. We came to protect it all. clouds rolling in. But City Masonry is ready to begin. Brick by brick, steel locked tight. We keep on working till we get it right. Water on the rooftop, rain on the wall. That won't stop the crew, no, not at all. Measure every corner, flashing going in, protecting this house from the weather and wind. Hands getting wet, boots in the mud, still doing the job like a mason should. Every cut precise, every joint made strong, built to protect this home for years to come. We build through the rain, we work through the storm. City Masonry, keeping your home safe and warm. Steel on the corner, brick standing strong, doing it right so it lasts lifelong. Through the rain, through the wind, when the weather gets rough, that's when we dig in. Old brick wall and the roof line tight, flashing installed and sealed up right. No shortcuts taken, no walking away. Rain or shine, we finish the day. From restoration to repairs, we know how to stop that water before it can flow. Years of experience, strength in our hands. City Masonry, built to withstand. We build through the rain, we work through the storm. City Masonry, keeping your home safe and warm. Corner flashing tight, brick standing tall. Quality craftsmanship, protecting it all. City Masonry, built strong, built right. Rain or shine.
Nice catch. Now the one window over there, it's a little bit rotted on the bottom. We're gonna put some Vulcan. The top windows, they were not replaced. The bottoms, the owner, he replaced those, but the top ones, they're still original and old. So since that window in the middle, it's a little bit rotted, we will put some Vulcan, just temporarily. He's gonna have a window company come and replace the top windows. But for now, we just wanna temporarily seal it so no water goes inside and makes more damage on the ceiling. Okay, there's the counterfly sheen. And then on this side as well, all nice and sealed. Okay guys, all done on this little project on the counterfly sheen. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and then we will see you on next project. Let's go.